How to activate Huntington Debit Card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can activate your Huntington Debit Card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if we head over to the Huntington website and check how you can activate your debit card, there is a really simple walkthrough for this. So there are basically just 4 steps right here. So if you want to activate your debit card, you can just go to huntington.com and log in into your account. That's the first step. The second one is you will need to select the service center at the tab at the top, and underneath debit and ATM cards, you can simply click on activate card. After you tap on activate card, you can then enter your 3-digit security code, that is your SSN, on the back of your debit card and click activate. And that's basically how you do it. Now, there's also another way you can do so by giving a call to this number right here, and you can just use the app as well. And that's basically it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.